test me?
I got my Baja Blast, girl. We're getting ready today. I put on this random little outfit. We're taking a lot of pictures today. I got ready very, very late today. I wanted to get up at like 11:10, be ready by 12. It's now 3 and I ain't got makeup on, bro, so. What's up, guys? So in today's video, we are doing a get ready with me. I'm in a hotel bathroom right now. She is so bougie. She's so nice. Look at that tub, girl. I literally booked the hotel for the tub. But today, girl, we are doing a hot girl summer get ready with me. I'm gonna first take some lip balm. I talked about this in another one of my get ready with me's. It's the Agave Nighttime Plus Lip Therapy. So good. And it also makes your lips like really pretty and glossy. So I'm gonna go in for like a naturally brownish eye look today, just because I'm taking a lot of pictures and they're all like different colors, and so I need something that's gonna match everything. I really wanted to do blue eyeshadow. I thought that would be like hot girl summer band. I'm taking pictures today and I have, I think, like 7 daytime looks, which is like kind of insane. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do all of them. Like, they're planned out, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to like pose that many times and find that many different locations, because just because I look good sometimes and I do my makeup and my outfit's really cute does not mean, girl, that the pictures come out. I was taking pictures the other day and I swear to God, I was like, did I get ugly overnight? Like, honestly, like, did I get ugly overnight? Because what the f is this? Sometimes it alarms me, honestly, it really does. I'm scared of needles and I'm scared of like filler and things like that, like go on my face, even though I really, really want it. But bruh, after I saw the inverted TikTok filter, girl, I'm ugly as shit. Like, everybody sees this side of my face in the real world, and like I see this side because this is like my good side. But bruh, everybody sees this side on this side of my face. Like, when I'm flipped, that's my fucking bad side. So you mean to tell me that everybody sees my bad side every single day? And that's my dominant side to the other people? Okay, but this is the, what palette is this? This is the Baked Browns Dose of Colors palette. I love this palette. I use this palette like religiously with a bunch of different other colors. Like, I'll at least use like one of these colors, and then like I'll pick up like another color from like another palette or whatever. But I just love these colors. I think that it just looks really good on my blue eyes. Like, bam, girl. See, I'm really mad at myself. I was supposed to wake up like super early today because I only booked the hotel for 2 nights. Like 2 nights, like 3 days. But yesterday we didn't get to the hotel until super late, and so I wasn't really able to take like any daytime pictures like I wanted to, and so all the pictures that I was supposed to take yesterday kind of have to roll into today. So I think I have like 3 hours of sunlight or 2.5 hours of sunlight to do like the 7 outfits, and then there's like 1 swimsuit that I want to do like during the day. But I have like no Instagram pictures at all, and like I hate how I don't have any Instagram pictures. And so Arizona's ugly, and the only way that you could really get good Instagram pictures is if you book a fucking hotel. And where are your guys' like favorite places to take Instagram pictures? Because I feel like I need more ideas. I'm currently downtown right now, so that's where I'm going to take my pictures at. I feel like downtown's like one of like the best places in Arizona to take pictures. I used to take pictures down here all the time, and then like I kind of just stopped. But girl, we back. I want to do it more often because downtown is just so, I want to live down here. Like, downtown is so pretty. There's honestly like a lot of crackhead tweakers, to be honest. Like, there was a crackhead that came up to us last night. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of dark brown just to like my like crease bowl, you know, like the little indent. Yeah, just right there, like not above it or anything like that. Like, literally just go directly in there. I feel like it kind of just adds a little bit more like depth to my eye. Okay, so for my lid, I'm actually gonna go in with like a highlighter palette. This is the Cover FX like contour and highlighting and blush palette that I like to go in with all the time. So we're going to go in with the highlighter shade. I brought my ring light to the hotel. Can you see her? Yeah. When I walked in, I bet you the lady thought I looked fucking insane. Roman carried it in because I didn't want to. So I'm just gonna put like a little shimmery brown. And like a little like, it's like a more like shimmery champagne color, not like a brown. I don't know why I said that. A nice little like summer glam, I feel like. I got this blending brush from Amazon and like it works so well. I love it. It's like my favorite brush ever. But it's the La Mora Soft Blender 113 brush. We love her. For some reason, my eyeshadow always just blends up higher on this eye, and then I'll always try and even it with this eye, and then like it just never looks even. We're done with that eyeshadow, girl. But we're gonna have to still put like the underneath, but we need to do like our foundation. You already know the drill. Aveeno. To all the people that have aneurysms when I apply this to my face. No, but like really, people really freak out when I apply this on my face. Like, I don't know why. Like, if it's a moisturizer that works. We're gonna go in with the No Pore Blend Primer. just like literally like popping everywhere. I feel like this primer with that moisturizer is just she's a duo. She really is. I mean, clearly she's a duo because that moisturizer is almost gone and this primer is legit gone. I love this primer so much. Does anyone else like hate running out of beauty products? I think I just don't like repurchasing beauty products, honestly, because like they're just expensive. I'm wiping off my hands on this towel and my tripod's kind of like chilling on it. So sorry if the camera's moving, but they're just like expensive and it's annoying. So I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is a foundation I've been going in with recently from the drugstore and I really like it. So I just like, I don't know, I don't like to apply a lot of foundation just because I like to apply more concealer. I totally forgot to put my beauty blender. And she's dirty, FML. Honestly, I should have applied a little bit more. This isn't really covering at all. But I mean, that's just more concealer that I can wear, so. Yeah, no, I like to apply more concealer. I don't know, I just feel like foundation works or whatever, but like concealer works. There's been times where I've done like a full face of concealer and I honestly like the way that it looks because I just look so much more high coverage. So now what we're going to do is we're going to apply concealer because that foundation honestly didn't really cover, it covered like a little bit of the redness. Breaking out so much around my eyebrows because I got them waxed and every single time I get them waxed, I break out. Pony Effects concealer, you already know the drill. We're going to do that little like this trick. Saw it on TikTok, been doing it. Like this very hot girl summer-esque, all the hot girls do this. Yeah, I kind of just like lifts and covers. I mean, you guys can kind of like tell, I feel like the difference. She looks really good. I've been applying concealer like that and I feel like you also like, you definitely 100% use a lot less concealer that way. Okay, so now that our bags are concealed, we're gonna go with the Too Faced Born This Way and cover the rest of my face with this because I'm breaking out a lot right now. I also did a pore clearing mask last night and so right now my pores are clean from that. So all the pimples that were stuck under my skin are currently coming out. I'm literally like the biggest hunchback fucking whale. Like, have you seen me the whole entire video? I've been like this, like hunched over. What's that one TikTok meme? I don't think I want a full go in with cream contour today, but I'm going to cream contour that side of my face because that is my lopsided side. So we're just going to kind of try and give her a little bit of some fake definition because this is my really bad side. She's really bad. Does she kind of look even-ish? No, she's still hanging low. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some powder. We're going to powder on up our face. It feels so weird putting powder on before I do cream bronzer because recently I've been putting on cream bronzer, but my beauty blender is not as clean as I wanted it to be, and I'm scared that if I try and blend out my bronzer, it's just gonna like cake on my face. You can set your face with a powder, I mean with like a brush, but I don't know, I just feel like pushing it in with like a beauty blender just kind of does something. It gives like your face kind of like more of like an airbrushed look. It like helps you have that airbrush look. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this little contour brush. And we're just gonna kind of like contour slash bronze up our face. Does anyone know seriously like how I can make this face like not lopsided? I really just need to do my makeup one day like in the inverted TikTok filter so that I can just see and then like learn how to do my makeup like that way. Oh my god, I almost just dropped my palette. So we're going to go in with some blush now. Morphe blush palette. You guys can get this at Ulta. I don't know if it's at Ulta in stores, but I know that it's Ulta online. Literally get this. I actually think it is an online exclusive, to be honest. The Morphe blush palette in 8C. It's so amazing. It has all these different colors and I've been using it religiously recently. It's like the only blushes that I've been grabbing for because I have all these choices. I don't need to pick up multiples, you know? So I think I'm gonna go in with the shades. I usually go in with Sexy and Driven, but I think I wanna do like It Girl and then Driven, which It Girl is that pink and then Driven's right there, this like goldeny color. So I'm gonna mix those two. Cute. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the highlighter that looks so pretty whenever I'm out of town. It's the Becca Champagne Pop. You already know the drill. used this highlighter religiously, like in high school. Like I was obsessed with the high school and like the college era. And then I stopped using it because the one that I had shattered, and then I got a new one. Never knew that I got a new one. Like I don't know if I got it like sent to me or whatever, or if I like bought it, but I never knew that I got a new one. And then one day I got it in my collection, and yeah. So we use her ever since. We've been using her ever since. My little brush. I'm just going to lightly just dab it. I used to use like a different highlighting brush, but recently I've found like this like fluffy blush brush has been like working. But it actually is like a tapered highlighting brush. Like it's called tapered highlighting brush, but like I used to use it as like a blush brush. So pretty. And then I'm just going to lightly dust it down my nose. Usually I do like a more defined brush, but we just want like that nice little like glow. I can't believe I forgot to literally bake underneath. This is not a hot girl summer without the baking underneath the contour at the back. I can't believe I almost forgot. So we're just doing like a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit for like I don't know. We're gonna go in with the lip colors now. I don't know what I want to do, but I know that I want to use this gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss, and Fenty Glow, literally the most hot girl summer color ever. I'm going with Kylie Jenner. There's like foundation on my lips that I need to take off. I really like this hotel though, because deadass you can text them instead of calling. Like I feel like calling the front desk and being like, can I get this? Can I get this? Can I get this? Is so fucking annoying, and I don't like being on the phone. And so like the fact that like you can text them and be like, hey, I need this, and they'll be like, okay, coming, instantly. Like they literally text you back. Like they text back quicker than anyone that I've ever texted before. Okay, so we line the lips. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with this, which has been my favorite go-to summer lip product. It's the Buxom Power Fill Plumped Lip Balm in the shade Glowing. Literally the best thing ever. Seriously, I'm not even kidding. It's the best thing ever. And then I'm just going to apply that. It's basically the same color as the lip liner, as you can tell. Cute. It's also moisturizing and it's plumping. And so like you're not wearing a lipstick. You're literally wearing a lip balm, but it looks like lipstick. Legendary. And then I'm gonna take this Fenty Glow, because she is, I feel like Rihanna is just the definition of the hot girl, so we gotta wear her lip gloss to be a hot girl. Fenty Beauty, please sponsor me, please. Like seriously, I'll literally die. Okay you guys, so the makeup is complete. I still haven't decided if I wanted to add color. I feel like I should, honestly. I really should. Because like I'm gonna regret it. There's a hair on my face somewhere. I have like so many pores on my face. Like how do you get rid of that? Apply some brown eyeshadow. I'm going to go get dressed and then I'll show you guys a complete look, but this makeup girl. So guys, this is the outfit. It has like that one strap. Oh, thing's right there. It has that one strap moment going on. She's from Hot Miami Styles, if you were wondering. And then I'm wearing just these little like, girl, I'm spelled with the most can show. Hot girl summer look, but you know we can't go anywhere because of coronavirus, so hot girl summer at home. So you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want some more hot girl summer get ready with me, is because honestly girl, I have a lot of dresses like this. I have a lot of hot girl dresses, okay? So I can make a lot. I can honestly do a whole lookbook if you want to see that, girl. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you guys get notified when I post a video. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, TikTok. You already know the drill. You know the drill. Go follow me, girl, because I'm taking a lot of pictures today. Like, go follow me and appreciate them, please. Like, go like them, because seriously, like, nobody's been liking my pictures recently, so you do it, please. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.